Among the 4 girls that was interviewed yesterday, no one, not one of them said they were raped. And up to this very moment, we've not had any official reports that anybody was raped. That aside. Then, it was not a rape festival. It was a festival that was done by the chief priest to pray for barren women, for them to have fruit of the womb. That was the intention. However, for reasons best known to them, the traditional ruler of Ozoro Kingdom was not informed. The student union was not even informed because they know it's a student community. So they are supposed to inform the school management. They did not do that, and they did not inform the police. And that is why the chief priest is presently in our custody, because his negligence has led to this embarrassment, has led to this assault, sexual assault on these innocent girls. And that's why they are presently in custody. However, it was not a rape festival.